how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks. So I've just logged into my QuickBooks account here, and from the left hand side we want to scroll down until we see the option for apps, hover over it, and then click on find apps. And right here you will be able to see Shopify. If you can't find it, simply search for Shopify here, and we want to get the Shopify connector by Intuit. Once we click on it, we will select Get App Now. And it's going to look like this. The App Store is going to load up for QuickBooks, and I'll show you and I'll walk you through. So we're going to click on Connect here, and this will take us to this page, Preparing QuickBooks Online Integrations. So I'm just going to accept these cookies here, and we're going to wait for this page to load. So I'll come back in a second once this loads. Okay, so the page has loaded and it's going to look like this. So I'm just going to click on Connect to Shopify, which will load up a new page here. So we have to enter our Shopify domain. So how can we find this? I'm going to go to Shopify, and I'm going to go to settings here, and I'm just going to copy my domain list or my domain name here. And I'll open up this page and I'll simply paste it like so. And I'm going to click on Connect to Shopify. So we have to add the HTTPS, whatever. I'm going to add this here. Click on Connect to Shopify. So it's going to begin preparing this. We'll see if it requires anything else. Okay, so this will take us to the Shopify store, and we can just click on Install here to install QuickBooks. And we'll see what follows. So just give it some time to verify your connection to Shopify. Successfully connected to Shopify My Store. And here now you can see the different options for what you want to receive a notification for. So when order is created in Shopify, create a sale in QuickBooks Online. So we can also choose tax codes here, send payments from Shopify to QuickBooks Online. We can check this as well. We can create credit notes in QuickBooks Online, and we can also send fees from Shopify to QuickBooks Online. So basically you can check all of these options here. You will need to fill out the accurate information, and then we'll click on save. And then we can also select these options here as well. So when order is created in Shopify, when payout is paid by Shopify, and when product is created by Shopify, we can just fill out this information and we'll click on save. And that's how you connect Shopify to QuickBooks. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.